My name still remains Paul Wonderful Food. On this platform, we are teaching how to prepare food, how to do ponmon with pepper sauce. So this is it. I'll still wash it, but you can cut it anyhow you want. If you want your own to more smaller than this, you are free to go. If you want it to big more than this, you are good to go. Know how you cannot cut it. We are going to parboil it now. You think there is no wash here. Wash it. We are going to parboil it. You can add your onions, season, add it. You add a little of water. That's for 5 minutes. So we are boiling it. That we are going to use on it. So we have this pepper and this tomato. Then we have onions. So blend. I'm going to remove the water. Oil. Now. Before I just chop it pepper. I can't finish this pepper. I use pepper. We are going to wait for like 30 minutes. So my people, look at it. You put your seasoning. You season it. When you have it over 5 minutes, we are coming back. We put our yeah. So you just give it like 5 minutes or 3 minutes is okay. So my people, it's done. You can see. Ouch. It's done. It's ready. So you can enjoy it with me. You can use your wine.